My favorite wine. Why am I talking about my favorite wine? But I'll still tell you.
Please, allow me to show you something.
Why did I choose to film this video today? And your girl looking real nice. Oh gosh, why did I choose to film this video today for real though? Wow. Hello, welcome to this Trini Will. I am Keisha, and if you saw some of my videos before, this is the first time you hear your girl have a name, because other than this, it's just welcome to this Trini Will. Hello, welcome back 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 to this Trini Will. So, hello. Now this is kind of weird because this is not my first YouTube video, but it's my first introduction to the channel video. I told myself once I got to 100 subscribers, I would create this video. I didn't know that it would be so soon, but it was also important because the type of content that I want to do is not necessarily created around one thing. So I guess it's kind of important to like let persons know what to expect, you know, what kind of things you're gonna get from this Trini Will. On my YouTube channel art, I have travel, lifestyle, and how to. So that kind of sums up what it is about. Travel, obviously, I didn't really post any travel content right now because we can't travel. Lifestyle being all the different things that I do. And how to being sharing my experiences with you that may help you make decisions. Usually I know some channels, they are obviously targeted to around certain types of content. So if it's hair care, if it's photography, if it's product reviews, if it's vlogs, which is like following you around everyday life, like, you know, it's kind of targeted towards something. But like literally, I do everything. Like, not gonna lie, like, so I sew, I cook, I can do hair, I travel, I like technology, I like photography, I like your girl is like a jack of all trades. It's like low-key. There are different things that I want to do, and I don't know if it's gonna look weird, just me posting random stuff and it's gonna be like, what the hell, she wasn't just talking about low porosity here, what she doing talking about aperture and shutter speed, like what? I like wine. I like wine, so like some of my friends might call me a wine connoisseur, but I'm not really, because I'm still like learning different things. But like this is not a glass, not a proper glass anyway. It's not, definitely not a glass for white wine, but whatever. So my favorite wine, why am I talking about my favorite wine? But I'll still tell you. My favorite wine is Prosecco, and that's like a sparkling wine. And yes, so that's what I'm talking to you all about wine. So my intention is to have a series where I have like a wind down, where it's like a chit chat. We might talk about different topics. However, the key part of it is that I will be like reviewing different wines, because like basically I know the wines that I like, but I want to try new things, and sometimes from different brands. So I like Prosecco, I like the Asti from Riccadonna, I like Ruby Port. So there are things that I like, but I kind of want to like try new wines, and as I said, from different brands, and provide reviews to you, because I know you ladies love wine. And you know, sometimes you go to purchase a wine, you don't know what to purchase, what people may like, if it's sweet, if it's dry. So just to give you ideas, so you can explore and not feel too shy to try something that you see in the store because you're not too sure how it will taste. So that's one. So we have the wind down. I did one video already, and where I spoke about my experience or my thoughts about the wedding planning process. So how did I come up with this Trini? Well, so in 18 because I've always been interested in traveling, and because like my family has like they travel a lot, so it's just something obviously I gravitate towards kind of. And I always used to watch like Discovery Channel, Travel Channel, and always interested in seeing these amazing parts of the world, like the trees in Africa, like it's just whatever. So anyway, in 2018 I started an Instagram page because I wanted to share my travel experience. Would have been like my travel vlog, well, not vlog, but like a travel page sharing my pictures from traveling because I said I was interested in photography. And that year when I started this Trini Will travel, I traveled like 4 times for the year, excluding like 2 trips I took to Tobago. So I went to Miami. I think I went to Miami twice. I went to New York and I went to Atlanta. No, wow, wait. I can't. You see, like, no, I went to St. Lucia, right? I went to Miami, St. Lucia, Atlanta, and well, New York slash yeah. So yeah. That's correct, right? Excluding the times I went to, like 2 times I went to Tobago. So like for me at that point, it was kind of like a manifestation. So you speak something into being, and it happened. So then this Trini Will, this Trini Will became more than just about my travel trips, but I also wanted to highlight the travel experiences of other persons because even when my friends go on trips, I always tell them, send me pictures that I want to see because it's like, and I use that hashtag, when my friends travel, I count it as an experience because you get to see things you would not have seen before, and it feels more relatable when you see it from someone you know. Like, yes, you see the pictures on the internet, but if your friend John, okay, what's that Trini name? Kieran. What's a Trini name? Mikel, right? If Mikel takes a trip and shows you the pictures, like it feels more real once it's kind of relatable once you know the person. So I wanted to share the experiences of other Trini travelers who travel to show that travel is within reach, so that is this Trini Will travel. And then my fellow friend, YouTuber Francis, the art of Fran, we were speaking, and she told me, hey, what about this Trini Will? So yes, this Trini Will travel, but she's like, this Trini Will, and it's like it opens up to so many other things because it's like, to me it's like motivation. So this Trini Will ... What do you want to do? This Trini Will this Trini will become an entrepreneur. This Trini will, like, whatever you want to do, you could basically do it. So that is where this Trini Will came out from, and I've been contemplating starting a YouTube channel for a while, as I guess a lot of people have. And I was like, you know what? Just do it. Just do it. So that is how this Trini Will came about, and the content of my channel is not necessarily going to be about one thing because I do a lot of things. So this Trini Will ... Like, is it sew? Is it cook? Is it photography? Is it, well, amateur photography? Is it travel? Like this Trini Will, whatever I want to do. So that is kind of like a breakdown about, this Trini Will, what it is about. I don't know if it clarify anything for you or what you can look forward to, but definitely this channel, travel, lifestyle, and how to. So welcome. If you're interested in any of those things, following me for my experience, go ahead, click the subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any videos, click the notification bell and comment below. Tell me anything that you are interested in, anything that, any content, any topics that you may want me to cover. And I'll definitely put it on my list of things that this Trini will do. So anyway, welcome, and I hope you enjoy the content that I have, and toodles, bye. Bye.